Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Tech in Resham. Today, we're going to discuss Pi Alert, a network monitoring system that detects devices, monitors their startup and shutdown times, and provides valuable insights into our network's health. One of the key features of Pi Alert is the ability to set up email notifications for alerts. This way, we can receive timely notifications about any unusual activity or device issues. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of our network devices. In my case, I have 36 devices, 30 of which are currently connected, and 35 of which are new. By clicking on any device, we can add additional information, such as the real name, owner, type, model, and so on. We can also view session information for each device, including its status, online or offline, the date and time of its first and last sessions, and any other relevant details. The Tools tab offers several useful features. The Session tab provides a history of discovered and terminated sessions for selected devices, while the Presence tab displays a graph showing when devices were running or turned off over a specified period, year, month, week, and day. The Events tab lists all the devices that have been discovered in the network. By selecting a device from this list, we can view its detailed information in the same page as before. The Presence menu shows all the devices' presence in a single page, making it easy to see which devices were on at specific times and which ones were off. The Settings page allows us to customize the web interface, including changing the language, theme, or enabling dark mode. The Maintenance tab provides several useful functions, such as deleting all devices, unknown devices, events, and other records. To view notification events, we can click on the notification text in the top right corner of the dashboard. To set up Mail SMTP settings, we can click on the Edit Pi Alert Config button located on the Settings page. Gmail has discontinued password-based authentication and now requires a token. If you're using G Suite, you can use that token or another email provider like SendGrid. I'm not affiliated with SendGrid, but I'm just a user of their service. To enable mail notifications, click Yes and save the configuration. You should now receive the notification in your email. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks.